We're on the final leg of our stay here, and we're not going out without a fight. So let's soak up some more of what Catalonia has in store for us. I had 2 drinks in the morning. I had 2 drinks in the night. I had 2 drinks in the afternoon. It made me feel alright. I drank 2 drinks in time of peace and 2 in the time of war. I drank 2 drinks before I had 2 drinks, and then I had 2 more. As we get ready to leave Montego Bay, Catalonia has taken its toll on the teachers, parents, and children especially. All are tired, and I think we need a vacation after this one. We await our bus for the long journey home. Don't cry for me, Catalonia, and I'll see you soon in another place of interest.